to our podcast. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, which is your dream country, guys. Of course, everyone has a country they dream of visiting or living in someday. It could be because of the culture, because of the beautiful place, of the food, and so on. In this podcast, we will share about our dream countries and the reason why we choose them. But before we start the podcast, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Alma, and I will be the host here. And we have four special guest stars here. There are Eva, Tania, Juanda, and Samuel. Okay, guys, so let's start our discussion with the first question. The first question is, what is your dream country and why do you choose that country? How about you, Eva?
My dream country is Japan because Japan has a really unique culture. It's very modern but still keep its tradition.
Okay.
And my dream country is definitely France. I choose France because it has such a unique vibe. It's famous for art, fashion, history, and of course amazing food. I also think the architecture there is really beautiful, especially in Paris.
Okay, good. How about you, Juanda?
Mine is England because England is known as one of the most important football countries in the world. Yeah.
I would say Switzerland because Switzerland have one of the most best academic, especially college like in Zurich.
Okay, it's very amazing your dream country, guys. Let's start with the second question. What is the first thing that you want to do when you arrive in that country? How about you, Samuel?
The first thing I will do, I will take a photo in the airport, and the second thing, I will go to eat some local food like corn.
And the first thing I would do is visit the Eiffel Tower. I feel it's like it's something you must see when you're in Paris.
It's very iconic, right? From France. How about you, Juanda?
I think I want to watch some match football in England, especially Manchester City at that stadium.
How about you?
I think the first thing I want to is try the local food and walk around the city.
Okay, it's very good. Next question. What do you like the most about the country?
What I like the most about France is the culture and lifestyle. People there seems to really enjoy life. Like taking time to eat good food, sit in cafe, and appreciate the art and fashion.
Okay.
What I like the most is the culture and the lifestyle. Japanese people are very disciplined and respectful.
What most I like?
Yes.
I would say the people because the local people is respect to the foreigner, especially Asian.
One of the main attraction in England is London, which is a major center for business, culture, and tourism. The city has many famous landmarks such as Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, and Tower Bridge.
Okay, it's very good. And then next question. What food from that country that you want to try? How about you, Eva?
I really want to try ramen, sushi, and also takoyaki.
It looks delicious, right?
Yeah.
Sushi, yeah, I like it.
Yeah. How about you, Jonda?
England has many traditional foods that are popular and well known. One of the most famous dishes is fish and chips, which consists of fried fish served with fried potatoes. This food is very popular and is often eaten for lunch or dinner.
Have you tried fish and chips before?
No, not yet.
How about you?
I think I will eat cordon bleu because all the Swiss food that I crave is cordon bleu.
Chicken with cheese
Yes.
and the smoked beef, right?
Yes.
Tania.
And I really want to try authentic croissant and buns. I've tried them before, but I think they would taste way better in France.
Because the origin, right?
Yeah.
Original. And then next question, what's the tourism place that you want to visit there?
Besides the Eiffel Tower, I would love to visit the Louvre Museum to see the Mona Lisa. And I would also want to go to the Place of Versailles because I heard it's really beautiful and full of history.
Okay. How about you, Sam?
I will go to the ETH Ritz just to see the building and the people who study in there. That's it.
I would love to visit Mount Fuji and also Kyoto because the temple there look very beautiful.
So you like hiking?
Yeah,
Hiking mountain, okay. Have you ever hiking in Indonesia?
no,
Okay, not yet. How about you?
Like I said it before, like Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, and Tower Bridge. But I want to see Etihad Stadium because I like Manchester City. Yeah.
Okay, next question. What season would you like to experience there in your dream country? How about you, Tanya?
I would love to experience winter because I never seen snow before, guys. I think seeing Paris covered in snow will be really magical.
Yeah, me too. I want to see winter in England because in Indonesia, tropis what?
There's no
Yeah,
winter.
there's no
right?
winter in Indonesia. Yeah.
I will same because I'm never really had
Experience.
I'm never experienced about the winter, especially snow.
I think all of Indonesian want to experience winter, right? 'Cause
Yes.
it looks very nice. Okay, next question. If you could bring one thing from Indonesia to that country, what would it be?
I will probably bring Indonesian spices or maybe sambal
Yes.
because Indonesian food it's hard to replace and there's no sambal there.
Spicy, right? How about you, Eva?
and
Same with Tania, okay.
I will pick Indomie because Indomie is one of the cheapest food in Indonesia, and because in Switzerland there are so many expensive food in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I will bring some noodles, especially Indomie in England.
You want to bring Indomie too?
Maybe yeah.
Yeah, of course, yeah, we're Indonesia, right?
Yes.
Next question, if you move to your dream country, what Indonesian thing would you miss the most? How about you, Juanda?
I think Indonesia. Maybe I miss the people, yeah. Because Indonesian people so
Kind,
yes,
nice.
yeah. Because in England maybe the people like
Very individual.
yes.
Definitely miss Indonesian food, especially like a spicy food.
Yeah, you love spicy, yeah. How about you? Same with Tania, okay.
Me too because I would miss nasi padang so much.
It's very good, yeah.
Yes.
Well, that brings us to the end of our discussion about the dream countries. Today we share different countries that we would love to visit or live in. It's very interesting to hear your dream country, guys. And thank you for coming here. Thank you for listening to our podcast. We hope you enjoy our discussion and see you in our next podcast.
Bye. I